Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're not cooking. I know all of you have these weird spaces in your kitchen that you just wish would go away. And I have one of those. Well, I have several. And I'm in a cleaning mood. We have a tropical storm Gordon coming in, and this is not what I planned on doing today, but the mood hit me, and this is what we got to do. You know that cheap Tupperware that everybody has stashed that you don't use until you really need something plastic? Let me show you my floor. Okay guys, this is just pitiful. It's all the little bowls and stuff that you don't want to throw away that you might need in a pinch. Because I use a lot of glass, but every now and then I need something plastic to throw something in for a few minutes. This has just got to go. We're going to go through, if it doesn't have a lid or it doesn't serve a purpose, it's going out in the garbage. That cabinet there was full. And I need space to put other things. So this is going to be condensed down into a nice neat pile shortly. I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes. This drawer is another little sore spot in my house. If you need anything, it's probably in this drawer, but finding it is an issue. I've cleaned this drawer up a couple of times, but it just keeps getting back. Maybe again we'll throw away a few things in here. Two more drawers. This one, I don't know that I use hardly anything, if anything, in this drawer at all. It's just here. This one, I use about 4 or 5 things in here, and that's about it. So I think it's time to start cleaning out and rearranging and finding something to do with the excessive stuff that Deep South keeps collecting. One cute idea I found online the other day was all these cups, they were just collecting in spots. They were just sitting in multiple places like this, taking up space in my little herb cabinet that I have, my spice cabinet, I guess you would say. And so when I saw this, I thought, this is the neatest idea. You take them all out of their packages and stack them up. You find a container that they fit in pretty good, and you put a lid on it. You can still see what it is, but it keeps any bugs out of it, anything like that. You've condensed it down to one container as opposed to several containers of cupcake holders, and it just looks neater. So that's one cute idea I'm implementing into my kitchen, and it looks so much nicer. So I've been busy all morning. You saw a little of what I've gotten done, and now I've got to cook. So I'm going to work on a few things, cook a little bit, and just ride out the storm, guys. It shouldn't be too bad. The winds aren't supposed to be that high. It's Cat 1 maybe. So we've had a lot worse around here with like Katrina. So we're good. I'm going to get busy cooking, and I'll talk to you guys later. This is a cake made with buckwheat that we got in the Homestead box. And check out our videos on the Homestead box. We do one every month. They sent buckwheat flour. I'm using up what little bit I had left, and I mixed it with rice flour, added some applesauce and some cinnamon. So this ought to be a nice cake to eat. These are Danny's. These are almond muffins with a little bit of applesauce in them. No cinnamon. So what I do, I cook, I clean, I'm washing clothes, I'm getting everything done. A lot of people don't think about this, but I wash my clothes ahead of time in case the power goes out. That way I don't have clothes piled up. I can fold them with no power. I just can't wash and dry. So a few tips from me on what I'm doing to ride out the storm. Cleaning out cabinets because I don't want to be outside. It's not raining yet, but I just needed to do it. Cooking. and washing clothes. Thank you guys. See you later.